So today we're going to be doing a general cleaning. It is mold, but it's less than 10 square feet, so we don't have to follow the New York State guidelines. We're going to plastic the area off to keep the spore and mold count down. When we take the ceiling tiles down, after that we're going to get our SERVPRO oxide product, fill it in a bucket, wipe the excess mold off the wall. We're then going to vacuum the ceiling tiles for any of the mold that is on the ceiling tiles, clean the floor, clean the grid work, put the ceiling tiles back up, clean the area, wipe any excess mold down off the walls, and re-vacuum the floor. Take the plastic down, make sure the area is clean, and then move on to the next area.
Okay, so during this process, step by step, we want to get everything contained. We want to contain ourselves in the area that we're working. We want to address the area. We want to HEPA using our vacuums over here. Once HEPA, we want to use our product and get everything sanitized and taken care of. Once that's complete, if there is still staining, we want to get the area that is affected. We want to get that sealed. And once that is all taken care of and all good, we want to take the containment down, clean the area. We have a machine over here called an air scrubber. It's a HEPA 500. It has filters in it that filter the air, clean the air with any particulates in the air. And as it's doing that, it'll run for a couple hours, make sure everything's clean in the air, there's no particulates, and we can put the ceiling tiles back and we should be good.
So as you can see, there's a little bit of the speckledness.
So, I don't know, can you see that there? You want me to take the camera out?
No, that's good.
Alright, so as you can see, there's the mold on the wall. So now I'm going to take the SERVPRO oxide. This kills and prevents any mold from growing.
I'm going to give it a nice wipe. As you can see, that's all the mold coming off.
SERVPRO was recommended to me from a friend. I knew about their reputation from past experience, and they came in, they did a quote for me. I got the information back very, very quickly, and it was very fast with response time and getting the work done, very neat and clean. I'm very happy with the work. The technicians that came in to do the work were very clean, they were very professional, very courteous, and they were very cognizant of the homes that are here and very quiet, so it worked out.
So as we move through the floors, we got all the affected areas taken care of. The ceiling tiles were all vacuumed. The areas were wiped down with our disinfectant. Anything that was stained or looked like it still was there even after we cleaned it was sealed up. The floors were vacuumed to make sure any spores that did fall when we took the ceiling tiles, those were vacuumed up. The containment was set up to make sure everything stayed within that area. It went very smooth. Got it all cleaned up to the best of our abilities, and shouldn't have any problems from this point on.